Ayan, we're getting ready for lunch today. Magsha-shabu-shabu soup tayo. So we have kangkong, sotanghon, siling labuyo, atsuete, sibuyas bawang, chicken, tokwa, and squid balls. Ayan, we're preparing for lunch, Sunday lunch. Ayan, we're preparing for lunch. It's Sunday. Shabu-shabu tayo. So, sibuyas bawang, sweet balls, tokwa, atsuete, coconut oil, garlic salt, patis, kangkong, siling labuyo, chicken, or sotanghon. Sinok natin yung water. Hati-hati natin small. And then, yung siling labuyo, we have 6 pieces. So let's cook our shabu-shabu soup for today, Sunday lunch. No rice challenge pa rin tayo. Nagisa na natin sibuyas bawang. So after yan yung ating isa natin ang ating chicken. Coconut oil ang ginamit natin. Nagisa na natin yung chicken 5 to 10 minutes bago natin lagay yung atsuete, water or sauce, sear or sangkotsa ang term dito sa Pinas, before putting the sauce. Ayan, nalagay na natin ang ating atsuete sauce. So, pinapakulo natin ang chicken siguro mga 15 minutes para maluto ang chicken before placing all the other ingredients. Let's wait. Lagyan na natin ng 3 cups of water yung ating shabu-shabu soup. Ayan, para yung lasa ng chicken sumama sa soup natin. 3 cups. Tingnan natin yung sweet balls. How many minutes na ba tayo? For 15 to 20 minutes. Napakaluan yung ating chicken. Before yung other ingredients. Bigay na kaya natin yung siling labuyo o later na para hindi masyadong manghang. Tingnan natin ang sotanghon. Bigay na rin natin yung labuyo natin para maanghang siya. Spicy. And pag naluto yan, saka natin nalagay ang ating kangkong. Sana magustuhan ni Popsi ang ating lunch, Sunday lunch. And tokwa and garlic salt for taste. Yan, nilagyan din natin ng black pepper or paminta ang ating shabu-shabu. So, for taste, aside sa garlic, so, nilagyan din natin ng paminta. Ilagay na natin ang ating kangkong sa ating shabu-shabu soup. So once magluto yan, we can eat and have our lunch this Sunday. And siguro we need to add a konting soup kasi mahilig si Papi sa soup. So siguro cup or half cup of water. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.